आज के समय में हम सोचते हैं कि हम यूनाइट होकर रहें। फैमिली में, सोसाइटी में कोई लड़ाई ना हो, कोई झगड़े ना हो, पर हो क्या रहा है? इट्स टोटली अपोज़िट। ना ही कोई परिवार यूनाइट है आजकल। इसका प्रूफ आप देख सकते हैं कि सभी की फैमिली में कोई ना कोई इश्यू हो ही रहा है आजकल। एंड लोग उसको प्राउडली डिस्कस कर रहे हैं एक-दूसरे से कि पता है ऐसा हो गया था उनके घर में, या बुआ के यहाँ ऐसा हुआ, मामा के यहाँ वैसा हुआ, उनका लड़का ऐसा है या लड़की ऐसी है। Is it an alignment of any sort? Is it a real unity? See, people feed on this. They talk bad about each and everyone behind their back, and that is categorized as backbitching, which needs to get stopped. Also, how this is related to the term unity is I will describe this. Unity is a deep word. From earlier days, count the days from your childhood. We have thought to live together with harmony is unity. But this is only one statement or one sentence. The depth is far more deeper. Unity is getting united with oneself before uniting with anyone else in the world. Be calm, composed, and collected all the damn time with yourself. See, nowadays, or I think this has already been started from the past 3 generations, people of my age consider it as your grandparents. Also, I am taking the reference of the past 3 generations because I have seen them and I'm still seeing them. They are misaligned from their own self. Maximum people, not everyone, but those who are aligned, they are rare to find. See, if you have anything negative acquired in your life, like you don't have good health, sufficient money, or good relationships with anyone in life, then it's a sign of lack of awareness. Awareness of our body gone, our talent or our work gone, and our mental ability to communicate with anyone non existing. And here we are discussing about our world to get in harmony. How is this even possible? I laugh in my brain like a crazy person sometimes. But soon after that, I go into deep realization that this world is built this way only and by us only. Until we change something inside us, nothing will change outside of us. We will keep on walking the same path as our ancestors did: eat, sleep, reproduce, die. Something like this till we become self aware. Nothing has changed in the mental awareness of humans. Still, many are living like early men, hunting and gathering for them. And when they gather sufficiently enough, they start to gather for their children and then their children. See, this is manifested like crazy from 1,000 years. The more we do this on repeat, the more this takes us into consumerism, feed on greed, want more and more and more, and never stopping. This is not a real life. It's feeding on greed. Please let's stop this. Real unity begins within. Before we fix the world outside, let's fix our connection with ourselves from inside by fixing our physical and mental health and then going deeper with our soul and the soul of the world. Stay tuned for more insight. Thanks for watching.